Hey, Sandler here. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you can, give this video a like and subscribe for more pack opening videos like this one. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more Pokemon related content. We got a lot of stuff coming up. And then once again, I don't think I introduced him last time, but my friend Tony is back here again.
Hey.
We're going to open up a tin, some dollar packs, and then finish with some Darkness Ablaze. Last time we did really great. You never really know what you're going to get with these dollar packs. So we could pull something really great or nothing at all. We're not guaranteed anything.
Are they just like randomized packs? Yeah.
Yeah.
It could be anything in there?
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. And yeah, hopefully we can find something great. Let's see, do we got... Yeah, we can get our sleeves ready. Sleeves.
Alright, I guess let's pop
Yeah.
one.
Who wants to open one first?
I do! Oh damn, these seem like they're tougher than the
Other ones?
yeah. There we go. Alright.
Which one are you opening
Are
first?
these in the Unified Minds? Yeah. Are these in any like special order or no? Not like the other ones?
I mean, they are, but
Okay.
it's all different.
Let's see what we got. I think because of the white.
Oh, yeah.
Swaddle. Okay, that's better, yeah. Okay. Guess we'll just review it like that. Shirappi? And energy card. Oh, wow, so these really are random.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's see what I got. Oh, let me open it.
I know these are harder than the other ones.
So there must be something good in here then. Alright. Put it away. I didn't notice that. That you had one on yours?
Uh-huh.
Alright, let's see. Teddy Ursa. Another Call It. I pulled one last time. And then Gold Duck.
Oh, nice. Guess I should have been working on that pack. This is Lost Thunder. Alright, we got a Stunfisk. Where you had it was good.
Oh, Chikorita.
Nice. And Adventure Bag. Still kind of white.
It's like right here is a good spot
Yeah.
for whatever reason.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got. We did Lost Thunder.
Yep.
Two Lost Thunder, two. We got a Fanfi.
Oh, nice.
Makeda. And Azatu.
Let's do another Unified Mind. Have you opened some of these before?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Have you gotten anything?
Yeah, I got a that tag.
Oh, you got that from one of these?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh. That's pretty cool. Got a Magmar. That's really cool. Cottony. And Hapu. Trainer.
Oh, okay. She can probably go for a little bit.
Yeah, I know you were saying those training cards are pretty. Do you want a sleever?
Yeah. And if you want, you can look and see how much that one might be.
That was from a.
You probably just have to type in the.
Type it in.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you know what set it's from, then.
I think it was from Unified.
Yeah. Sounds about right.
That is okay.
So you can. You can use that mouse right there.
Oh, okay.
And then if you want to go to Unified Minds.
There we go. From this one?
From the set to the set. Yeah. And then Unified Minds. I think you just passed it. I just saw it. Unified Minds. Which one? Hapu? You probably just type it in the search bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty common.
Yeah.
You're too young.
That was
The
Cosmic Eclipse.
Cosmic Eclipse. Let's see what we got. Pulp Toad. Mad Cargo. And Bishop.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm not too familiar with that one.
It's from Black and White. That's when I stopped playing video games.
There's not another Unified Minds?
Cosmic Eclipse.
It's same one I just opened.
We got a Ducklet.
Just like go forward.
There we go. We got a Swirlix. And Energy.
Got a big boy right here. X and Y evolutions are some of my favorite
Yeah.
cards. Get something. Starting off. Poliwag. Oh shit. They're really good. We got a EX Slowbro or EX Slowbro from X and Y.
Yeah.
So that's freaking dope, dude.
Slowbro?
Yeah. Yeah,
Slowbro EX?
yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if it was for
Oh.
$2. Not bad.
It's a really cool looking card though.
That is. And the sleeve.
Huh.
That's really
Right.
cool.
Yeah, it's really awesome. Alright. And another Unified Minds.
And then my last card was
Oh,
A little trainer card.
That's old artwork right there. Huh.
But this is really freaking awesome.
That is.
I like the way it looks.
Got a Wimpod. There we go. Ooh. A Steelix.
Nice.
And another
Hapu.
Hapu.
Let's see what. Maybe I can get lucky again. Something pretty nice.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah, I like that one. That's so cool. Got the Japanese.
Yeah, around it. And he's like in his shell.
Okay.
Yep.
Got a little classic right there.
Push.
Chop. And then Voltorb
Yeah, old tool pack.
and a trainer.
Alright, now on to our big ones. I think we both have a...
Darkness Ablaze.
Yep. Awesome. I like how we both went for 2 different cameras. Let's get shot.
Yeah.
Now with these, is it the 1, 2, 3? Oh,
Yeah, I think it's 4.
Yeah, it's 4.
Maybe there's a good. Oh. I'm about to find out.
It's 4. It is 4. Alright.
Oh shit.
We got energy. Big parasol. Oh, I did have a good thing. I like these lighter cards. It's,
Might turn down the brightness. Try.
oh, I got Piers. Nice. Another trainer. Let's put him right there.
Here's probably just a little bit.
Vanillish. Rookidee.
Put it like right there.
Right there.
Yeah.
There we go. That's a lot better. Ooh, Mr. Mime.
We'll put him in the sleeve.
The ice version.
It's going pretty good.
That's awesome. Or the water version, I'm sorry. Electric. Oh, Dino.
Reverse hollow.
Is it?
I think so. Is it? No.
No.
Oh. It's, I guess I'll just catch a reflection of the light.
Passamane? Okay. That's a reverse hollow. Lunatone.
Yeah.
And
The last one. Oh, I think that one's a good one too. Big
Big
parasol.
pearl, big parasol. Jeez, look at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think that one is a really good one.
I don't know if the camera will catch that. It's really awesome.
Yeah, $6.
$6. Nice.
Let's see. But if you can't see if that Mr. Mime
Yeah.
is going for anything.
These. What are we missing? Oh, there it is.
No. That's the same one, right?
Nope.
It's a different one. Let's see.
Right there. Nope.
Pretty common.
Yeah.
And what about Pierce?
Piers. Common.
Yeah, pretty common.
Yeah.
but his full art is
Yeah.
still not even that much.
No.
The secret goes for about 10. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and it should be, yeah. Fist Energy, Spike Myth, Bird Keeper, Scene, Marie. It's always a great card. Snubble. And a Taurus.
What? Nice. You see that?
Another Rookity. A Mr. Mime. And we got a reverse shiny Cape of Toughness.
Huh.
And for our final card, another
Vanilla. Cape of Toughness. That's what that is.
spelled that all kinds of wrong.
Yeah, right there. Is it the...
I don't know what the secret looks like.
Is it, this isn't the secret, is it? No.
I don't know. No. Yeah, because it's gold.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. We're reverse shiny. Not
Yeah.
too bad.
Already sleeved it.
Oh, you did.
On
Damn,
top
I didn't
of
even
it.
notice it. That'd be not too bad. The parasol is a big win, but I really like the
Yeah, and especially
the
out of
full grown.
their dollar packs, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Shit, well, that was good.
Put those with these.
Yeah. I'll go over those sometime this week. But yeah. That was fun. Can't win big every time, but hey, it was fun. Alright, I'll see y'all next time, guys.